Oh, hi, Ken Burgess from 90.1 Local Radio in Victor Harbor and Parr's Fish Cafe in Encounter Bay. And it's interesting, the all-new art house at the end of Ocean Street here in Victor Harbor is becoming an art centre, an attraction. All the artefacts and paintings and dine-in facilities. It has a great art sort of fraternity ambience, and already it's, to my way of thinking, looking at the folks around who are enjoying an art attraction centre here in Victor Harbor. And that's really good because major cities, particularly tourist centres, and on the seaside like Victor Harbor, really need a number of major central theme attractions. And now already the art centre, and one wonders what else it can become a centre for. To my way of thinking, it's a great location with all the facilities for a social tourism centre as well. And then the spin-offs are, you come here to meet people socially, in a group, and you go to the art house or art centre and whatever else develops along the way. So it's great to see. Full marks to the Holmes, Craig and Veronica behind the initiation of the art house. Well done.